Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Nuneaton in the district of Hartshill at Windmill Sports. Okay, today we've got a ladies county match on. Mid Warwickshire versus Dudley and District. I've already been in, had a pint of Guinness for a fiver, which was very nice. Just had a downpour. The green's looking a little bit heavy. There's the Dudley ladies over there in the pink. Seating area here. Scoreboards, Visits County. Got some food going on. Quarter pounder burger, $2.50. Hot dogs, $1.50. Some baps, or batches as they call them over here, $1.50. Very nice. Looking from this side. Oh, that's just a windmill up there as well. Oh, you do find a lot of bowling clubs that they've got an allotment. Oh, proper stuff in here, cabbages, and see some runner beans over there. Tomatoes in the greenhouse, fantastic. Okay, I think you are enjoying the content as usual. Give it a subscribe, and a like. Any comments, any questions, put them below and I shall endeavour to reply. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.